Today, we'll follow every step, from fresh potato farms to delicious loaded fries served hot and ready.
What if I told you this factory makes enough loaded fries every single day to feed an entire city? In the next few minutes, you'll see giant potato mountains, rivers of melted cheddar cheese, engine. Every single day, this incredible American factory transforms over 200 tons of fresh potatoes into crisp. Before we reveal every incredible step behind America's favorite loaded fries, subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries from around the world.
The readings confirm robust growth. Look at the data visualization here.
And the probe shows ideal nutrient uptake in the root zone.
Check the pressure on the main line. Looks good, we should be ready to roll.
Advanced irrigation provides every plant with the perfect amount of water.
Bring that bucket right up to the front. Yep. All right, pull the next one up. Plenty of room back here.
Harvest season has arrived, and giant machines begin collecting thousands of potatoes every hour. Fresh potatoes are gathered and prepared for transportation.
Watch the level on bin 3. Okay, watching it.
Everything begins with carefully grown potatoes, harvested from America's finest farms. Within hours, these potatoes will begin their transformation into loaded fries. The potatoes have arrived. Now the real factory process begins. Only perfectly sized potatoes continue to become loaded fries. Powerful conveyor systems move thousands of potatoes every minute without damaging their quality. One final rinse prepares every potato for precision cutting. The cleaning process begins inside giant rotating washing drums. Powerful water jets remove every trace of soil before processing continues. Advanced separation equipment removes stones and unwanted materials automatically. Artificial intelligence inspects every potato before cutting begins. Every potato is inspected before leaving the farm.
Fryer temperatures are stable across the board. Look at the cheese viscosity. Optimal flow detected. The new nozzle configuration is working perfectly.
Superheated steam removes potato skins in just a few seconds.
Soft brushes remove every remaining piece of skin without wasting the potato.
Powerful precision cutters transform every potato into perfect French fries within milliseconds. Every fry is cut to the exact same thickness for even cooking. Extra starch is removed to create a crispier final product. The fries are gently blanched to lock in their natural texture. Immediately after blanching, the fries are rapidly cooled for perfect texture. Powerful air systems remove surface moisture before cooking begins. Computer-controlled systems guarantee every fry receives the perfect amount of seasoning. Computer-controlled systems guarantee every fry receives the perfect amount of seasoning. Freshly cooked fries now enter giant seasoning drums, where their signature flavor begins. Fresh green onions bring color and freshness to every serving. Thousands of gallons of rich cheddar cheese are prepared every day. Thousands of gallons of rich cheddar cheese are prepared every day. Multiple signature sauces are prepared for the perfect finishing touch. Now the factory prepares its famous creamy cheddar cheese sauce.
Now the factory prepares its famous creamy cheddar cheese sauce.
High-pressure homogenizers create the silky smooth texture customers love. High-pressure homogenizers create the silky smooth texture customers love.
The crispy bacon is cut into perfectly uniform topping pieces.
The crispy bacon is cut into perfectly uniform topping pieces.
Premium bacon is cooked until perfectly crispy.
Tender chicken is grilled to perfection before becoming a loaded topping.
Grilled chicken is precisely diced into bite-sized pieces. Grilled chicken is precisely diced into bite-sized pieces. A secret blend of premium spices creates the factory's signature flavor. A secret blend of premium spices creates the factory's signature flavor. Hot cheddar cheese pours over every serving in perfect portions.
Watch thousands of servings disappear beneath rivers of hot melted cheese every hour.
Tender grilled chicken is evenly distributed across every tray.
Fresh, crispy fries are automatically portioned into serving trays.
This is one of America's most advanced loaded fries production facilities.
Crispy bacon adds incredible flavor and texture.
Automated conveyors position every tray for perfect sealing. Fresh jalapeños and green onions complete every serving.
Don't skip, because the last machine in this factory is the one that surprises everyone.
The loaded fries are complete and ready for the final packaging process before shipping across America. Every serving is inspected before moving to the packaging department. Every package receives its own digital identity for complete tracking.
Look at the throughput on Platform 3. It's exceeding projections. Very good. Let's maintain this trajectory for the next cycle.
Every serving receives exactly the same amount of loaded fries. Freshly sealed trays are cooled before final inspection. Every tray is securely sealed to lock in freshness.
We have a temperature spike in Sector 4. Rerouting the coolant shipment now. ETA is within the threshold.
Finished trays are automatically packed into shipping cartons. Every shipping carton is securely sealed for transportation. Each carton is labeled for nationwide distribution. Powerful robots stack hundreds of cartons with incredible precision. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure during transportation. Every package has completed its incredible factory journey. The finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. The finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. Automated forklifts prepare shipments for nationwide delivery.
We need that pallet of fries at Bay 3 now.
Roger that. Routing the robotic lift.
Now the loaded fries begin their journey to restaurants and supermarkets across America.
Enjoyed this incredible factory tour? Subscribe now for more amazing food factory documentaries from around the world. Every week, we take you behind the scenes.